Thailand is one of the major vehicle producers in the world, with huge growth potentials. That is why it's becoming the center for large automotive manufacturers from all over the world. At the same time, Thailand is of strategic importance for the Bosch Group in Southeast Asia and worldwide. Bosch Automotive Thailand started its operation in Thailand in 1996. Here's our plant, located in Amata city industrial estate, which manufactures a range of automotive components, including braking systems, electrical drives, injection systems, as well as various automotive sensors and components. Our manufacturing facility was extended in 2014 to accommodate the local production of active vehicle safety technology like anti-lock braking system, so-called ABS, and the electronic stability program, or ESP. Our production here in Thailand is serving both local and international demand.
Localization is one of our top priorities at Bosch. Not only having production here in our house, we are also engaged in the import and distribution of many Bosch products. In responding to the trend of digitalization, self-driving, and electrification. Our investment in the local footprints help to enhance the skill and career opportunity for the great number of our employees. And as we are Bosch, we appreciate the diversity of mindsets, perspectives, and experiences.
By our presence here, we continue to collaborate with key industry players and support the government to equip local industries with our advanced manufacturing technologies, uplifting Thailand as a leading strategic industrial hub in ASEAN.